Hey guys, what is up and welcome to a new NVIDIA daily update video. So today, as per usual, let's go over NVIDIA stock. Let's go over what is happening and what I expect to happen next for the stock as well. So as usual, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And again, if you do enjoy my analysis, technical thoughts, etc., updates, I share my thoughts with my members every day in my YouTube membership. Just $3 a month for mainly Tesla stock and sometimes other bonus stocks as well. Or for $5, you add NVIDIA to that list as well, and you're good to go. But jumping into it, NVIDIA with a nice day with the market, of course, as well, up about 3.5%, closing just above 136 per share, which is obviously a good sign. Now, I'll have to make this video really quick. I do have to go somewhere, so it's pretty much doesn't go right to the point with little to no fluff, essentially, which pretty much is this, right? All in all, NVIDIA daily looks really good. We are more or less almost printing an inside day candle. Again, the pattern still looks very similar, like I mentioned, to back here when we were doing this back in kind of mid to late December, right? Very, very similar pattern. Could get another bit of a volatile day tomorrow/Friday, but ultimately, I think the path up is pretty clear. As long as NVIDIA continues holding ideally 134, but obviously especially this trend line down below, which now is sitting somewhere in the low 130s to the very, very high 120s. As long as these levels hold, and especially and ideally 134 roughly, I think NVIDIA is looking pretty bullish, but so far it's just reverting back to the mean, so there is still some work to do, but I think the bulls can get the upper hand for sure for NVIDIA, to potentially even making its way to all-time highs, and that'll be the main thing to watch out for. If NVIDIA ever loses about 129 to as low as about 127, things will start looking a little bit more dire, and I think that's where the bullish momentum will probably start to fade. But that's kind of my very basic, very to the point overall perspective, right? The 4-hour chart, obviously we went from oversold territories now to kind of reverting back to the mean as well, with the stochastic on the verge of flipping bullish on the 4-hour chart as well. So things are still looking good, but the daily stochastic is still not buying it for the most part, and we still have some more work to do before we really get our move back up. So we could get some choppiness between 140 to about the low-ish 130s until we finally make a true base and make our way back up, maybe up until Trump's inauguration or even after. So it can still take some time, but that's my overall perspective on NVIDIA. I can't make this too long. Unfortunately, I do have to go, but that's my thoughts very quickly. So if you enjoyed, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you for the next one. Peace.